Oh hi, it's Tuesday the 28th. I'm just feeding the birds. Hi darlings, can you see them all? Can that I can't see what the video can see. Is there a chicken? Oh yum yum yum. There's a chicken mince. Chicken mince. Chicken mince. Cheese. There we go. I know. Are you gonna sing? Sing. You gonna sing? You can't with a mouthful of food, can you? My little darling. The daisies. Oh, there we go. Yum yum. Yum. I like to do the chicken mince a bit. That's annoying. Oh, I had cheese there. Oh. Ouch. I had cheese and kiblets in that block. Had this in the fridge. Move. Sit. Greedy. Just fed the dogs. They're fine. So this is the kiblets. It's Alvin. Go away. Goodness me. Eating the kiblets off the ground. I can tell you right now, those kiblets, if I put some extra, just plain kiblets in his food bowl, he wouldn't eat them. But because for the birds, ooh. Anyways, that's cheese, kiblets, and chicken mince. And got raw chicken, raw blade chicken. They're not coming down now because the dogs came out. Alvin, Zena, come here quick. Move. Come on. Come on. Come in. Come on. Dogs are gone. You can actually hear Ollie meowing because he went outside out the front and he can't get back in and annoys me because he always, oh, here's another one flying in. Excellent, here we go. Excellent. Come on, eat up. Eat up. I might grab the camera and go a bit closer. So yeah, that Ollie keeps going out and then he won't work out how to get back in. He keeps wanting me to open the gate or the door. That's a little baby, that one. Or a teenager. Come and eat up. Eat up. Come on. I'm a bit nervous because Alvin's just come to the outside of the gate. I put him outside off the deck, but he's made sure he's right there. Come on, eat up. Oh, they've been a bit shy. I might take this opportunity just to, I've only got 17 minutes left of video time, and I'm having internal storage issues, which is why I haven't been doing any videos. And oh, there, excellent. Yeah, I only had 17 minutes left today of video, and I thought definitely take video. But listen, isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's so beautiful. Isn't that stunning? Beautiful magpies. Oh, butcherbirds, sorry, they're not magpies, they're butcherbirds. Excellent. What are they saying? I reckon they're talking about the food, hey? Are you going to sing? You going to sing? You want to sing? You want to sing? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yes. Lovely. Coralling. So this is a very exquisite, one of the exquisite joys of living here in Northam on this beautiful deck with our mature trees. The previous owners used to feed these birds a lot too. Well, 2 of these are babies, 3 of these babies. Oh, this one here's a baby. He's a young one. See how he's got lots of grey on his belly? So he's a fledgling, so he's been born since I've lived here. And that one's a young one, you can see. Oh, I think this one might be like a mum. She's a bit older. Taking video of you. Hello. This is a boy. He's big, but he's definitely... Oh, I thought there was another one again. That 4. They're beautiful. There you go. Yeah, so there's a lot that I could say about life right now, but there's only, well, I guess there's 10 minutes left of the video, but I don't really, this video is about the beauty of Northam, and the beauty of these butcherbirds, and the beauty of this beautiful morning, the beauty of life. Aren't they beautiful? You can eat some more now, it's just you. There's a big tree down there. You can't see it, so they live here. Sorry, they come here for food to this big tree. But way down there, in that tree down there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a whole heap of them flying around that big tree down there in that empty field across the road. That's actually where I think they live. Oh, I think they actually live in lots of different areas, to tell the truth. But anyway, so I can't turn this video around, and when you do it sideways, the camera is here. So, no, I don't even know where to look. It's strange. Can you hear that? That's what I wake up to in the morning. That's a beautiful sound. So many bird sounds. It's one of the most peaceful places to wake up to, because this is the kiblets and the I was just going to throw it out, but now I'll put it down. They like cheese, hey? And they like the kiblets. It was so cool when I realised that the kiblets would be the cat, the dogs, and the birds. I was like, whoa, yeah. Come on. Yeah, that was a different bird making that noise. The birds here in Northam, it's quite stunning. The bird life in Northam, or where I am, because I've got so many mature trees, and it's so cool. Like, see all these mature trees I've got here, and because I re-tick the ground, and I'm putting more plants in the ground, and I put bowls of water everywhere for them. They've got, lots of... In fact, this time last year, birds were falling out of the sky. I kept finding dead birds on the ground. It was horrible. So, I'm noticing, because this year I'm determined, I'm going to eat some more. Are you going to eat some more? This year, I was determined to keep the foliage cool for them up in the treetops, and make sure I would prefer there was more bird baths around. I would prefer that I had lots of but I've got ponds of water everywhere for the animals, for the dogs, and all the other animals that want to use it. So I think the birds might use that as well. But I also water down all the foliage of the trees and everything, and try to keep the under storage wet, especially in this area here. To keep it so there's a cool area for them. So I haven't noticed any birds dropping out of the trees this summer, but last summer I kept finding dead birds everywhere. It was horrible.
But yeah, there's 3 in the tree at the moment. Can you see them? There's one there. There's one there. And obviously there's one there. I love them. I love it when they sing. Anyways, I might just let this I might actually just shut this video out because it's a weird angle. Isn't that beautiful though? So welcome to the beauty of Northam. It's very stunning. It's just a joy, like waking up to the birds singing, waking up. They don't come every day for food, but I had this food organised. I had this prepped jar of food organised for them with the kiblets, the chopped up cheese and the chicken mince waiting for them to turn up. So I was ready for them today. It was so cool. And I'm going to keep doing that. Just have it sitting in the fridge so when they turn up and they sing, I can go, okay, the food's ready. Huh. 4 in there now. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hi, darlings. Oh. I don't know if the video's showing them. Isn't that stunning? Hello. Oh, there's one way at the other end. It's 2. They hang upside down. They actually hang upside down the branch for some reason. It's quite funny. Peaceful, hey? Peaceful. I've got a water mains pipe burst at the moment. My water mains won't turn off, and Water Corp was coming this morning at between 8 and 10 a.m. but they rang me to say they couldn't make it because down there on Byford Street there's an actual full blowout, like a water mains blowout going all over the road, whereas the water mains tap won't turn off, which means water mains is coming into my property even if I've got all my taps off, and trying to find anywhere to seep out, and it's been using the old retic lines. Oh, I've got so much stuff to talk to you about water. It's incredible. Water's emotions, isn't it? But anyway, Watercorp just rang me to say, oh, we can't make it quite this morning. I said, well, you can't be too long because I've got to be other places. I can be here till 11. If they can't make it by 11, I'll have to come back tomorrow morning. But I had an appointment this morning and I'm here because I was waiting for Watercorp. It's the joy of spending lots of time at home. Not having to rush around. Yeah, I know, it's home today, I could feed you. Okay, the video's about to shut out now. I'm about to lose battery power. Okay, God bless everyone. I hope you enjoyed that video footage. YouTube, I'm having heaps of troubles with my camera. As you know, internal storage issues, and the 5.0 Android thing that's stopping me from getting the live footage. But I will address these things, and I've got piles and piles and piles and piles of topics that I want to discuss with you all. With not doing daily footage, there's lots of topics that are getting not behind per se, but I'm getting more research on, you can say, more fully developed stuff that I haven't talked about. Stuff that I actually, okay, the dogs are out again. Sit. Yeah, big chunk of chicken mince. Sit. Gosh, Alan. Anyways, okay, go inside again. No, I want the birds to relax. Inside. Oh. It's funny, you know, he's not so much interested in the birds per se, he's interested in the food that I put up on the bloody balcony. A very, very food-focused dog, Alvin is. But anyways, that's so be it, you know, like, I made myself a coffee before I could hear the birds singing. Beautiful coffee, yum, 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 my first coffee in the morning, and I'll tell you something right now, I'm reducing my coffee intake significantly because my friend telling me about coffee being really not good for premenopausal women. So when I have my morning coffee, it's like it often will be the only coffee of the day, and I treasure it with glee. So watch me drinking my coffee. Yum yum. So, yep, I'll start getting more video footage up. I will post this just because I haven't put anything up for so long. So hello to you all. Keep praying for me. There's a lot going on in my life. I'm having a lot of spiritual growth. I'm having a lot of hardships, like water mains busting. I've got lots of retic issues. I sliced my foot open the other day. You know, I've got heaps of financial issues, but I'm getting a lot of information that's just backing me up with that I'm on track, I'm where I'm supposed to be, all is perfect, not getting swamped into 3D, you know, 3D, not getting swamped into 3D, staying in 5D and up, going up to 7th dimension. All right, lots of love, everyone. God bless.